this episode, we're going to be having a look at a PWA application. And one of the things that have annoyed me about PWAs is that you lose some of the initial and default browser behavior. And the feature that we're going to be looking at in this episode for progressive web applications is the pull to refresh. That's something where in a normal browser, on a mobile device, you would have that functionality. But within a PWA, it doesn't exist. So we're going to implement it without any JavaScript libraries, where we can do a pull to refresh. Then we get an indicator if we want to perform the refresh, then we can release, or we can just move our mouse or our finger back up to cancel it. So if we do the pull to refresh and then release, we then see that the page has been updated. So we're first going to start with a base application where in the browser, we're able to pull and refresh. This is the functionality that we get with the browser on a mobile device. But as soon as we go to install the PWA application by adding it to the home screen, when we launch this, when we pull to refresh, it doesn't work. And so I've created a post in a browser. And so when I pull to refresh, you'll see that nothing happens, but we have to navigate back in order to see that. And did you know that you can go to railsstore.com to get your own Ruby on Rails t-shirt or your Drift and Ruby t-shirt? To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftandruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.